Hello, Wildcat Nation, and welcome to another edition of Tuesdays with Tausch. We are at Faircrest Elementary School today, and we are in the middle of Camp Invention. And that is a time when the students come together for a week and they learn about science and technology and engineering. I'm here today with the director, Ms. Williams, and she is going to tell us a little bit about Camp Invention.
This week, we are using the nationally certified curriculum through Invent Now, which teaches kids about entrepreneurship, promoting critical thinking, and working together as a team.
And is this something that Canton Local puts on themselves, or do we have another organization that helps out?
We have another organization through the National Inventors Hall of Fame.
Okay.
They can reach out and they provide all of the curriculum. As a matter of fact, we're a Vanguard school, so we are piloting curriculum for 2028 at this time.
How many staff does it take to pull something like this off?
We have 5 teachers and assistant director and a director, so 7 of us for staff, and then we have 7 Canton Local students who volunteer to get hours for community service for National Honor Society or NTHS.
Let's talk to some students.
Okay.
Who do I have with me today?
My name is Leia.
Leia, we're at Camp Invention, and what are you currently doing today in Camp Invention?
We're making tools.
What do you like best so far about Camp Invention?
Everything.
You like everything. It's a success. And who do I have with me today? Finley and
Layla.
Layla. And what are you guys doing today in Camp Invention?
Making shovels so we can find animals.
So you're making tools so you can find animals? Is that what you're doing too, Layla? Yeah. Are you guys having fun at Camp Invention?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're back here at Faircrest Memorial Elementary School, and we're here for the final day of Camp Invention, and I'm with Jackson today, who's one of the leadership interns. Jackson, what brought you to this and wanting to be an intern?
So originally I was a camper, and like seeing all like the helpers and stuff, like I personally wanted to, so that's kind of what got me into it.
Now, what was your favorite part of this week?
Definitely like helping out like the campers and like helping them figure out ideas, and then me like helping them build it.
That wraps up this edition of Tuesdays with Tausch, and as always, go Wildcats!